Hey, it's another little Wayne bite, just a little taste of this and that, and I'm in my neighborhood, which is called Sheridan Park, which is part of Uptown. And this is the plaza here. It was Sunnyside Street. It was turned into a mall many, many, many years ago. And like a lot of neighborhoods, there's a little mini library. That was the one that was here before. It was damaged over time because it was made with plywood. And so I thought I'd make a new one at the request of one of my neighbors. So this is a new one that I made. I made it out of cedar. I actually used a little of my Frank Lloyd Wright influence in the design. What I have is the lines on the side. I also painted the inside of it red, which you can see, and there's already a bunch of books, which I'm going to get right now and put them inside. These are the books. Our neighborhood is so great. There's so many people bringing books and contributing books. So I made it about the size of the previous one so that people will continue to bring more books and make this a special little thing for everybody to enjoy. Anyway, that's my contribution to my neighborhood. We should all be doing something to make our neighborhoods better. This is my little effort here. So there's all the books we're putting. Oh, wait a minute. Classic tapas. I may have to keep this one. Anyway, here we go. All good stuff.